Today, let's see how to install OpenCV in macOS and in Windows. Um, to install OpenCV, first you need to have a Python installation. So for the Python installation, you can use brew install Python 3, and this will install the latest Python 3 version. And then you can later install the NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib, scikit-image, scikit-learn, IPython via pip install. And once you have done that, you can go ahead and install OpenCV contrib Python. This is the latest OpenCV version. And if you are using a Windows OS, you can use the Anaconda um, package, Python package. So after you install the Anaconda 64-bit or 32-bit Python package based on your operating system, you have to install the um, below Python packages. You have to install pip cmake, numpy, scipy, matplotlib, scikit-learn, Jupyter, IPython, and then you also have to install OpenCV-contrib-python, and as I said, this is the latest version of OpenCV. And after that, you have to install the dlib libraries. So these are machine learning libraries for the computer vision package. So this is how you install the packages for OpenCV in Windows and in macOS. Thank you.